Cephalotus leaf cuttings will be made. What to prepare? Prepare a flat container. Put wet sphagnum in it. Select the leaves to be used for the leaf cuttings. Do not use old leaves. Choose new, healthy leaves. I use this leaf. When you take it off, take it from the top down. Remove it as if you were stripping it off. Be careful when removing leaves. Take it so that this part remains. Leaf cuttings of Cephalotus were made in this manner. The leaf cuttings were made on March 1st, 2024. It now looks like this. Then it's been about 2 months. The leaves are much weaker, and I added 1 new leaf cuttings. So far there has been no noticeable change. Then it's been about 2 months. I thought I had lost it. The leaf cuttings were successful, but I hope it will grow well from now on. Watch a time lapse of the growth of Cephalotus follicularis leaf cuttings. The insect bags are getting bigger and bigger. The leaf cuttings have grown so much that I'm going to replant them. Prepare the soil for repotting. The soil to be used this time is Carnivorous soil. First, sift the Carnivorous soil to improve drainage. Put a large amount of Carnivorous soil in the flower pot. Once a certain amount of the larger Carnivorous soil has been placed, put the remaining Carnivorous soil. Here is a Cephalotus that sprouted from the leaf cuttings to be planted this time. Wet the Carnivorous soil with water and dig a hole in the center. Plant the Cephalotus in the hole while considering the direction of the soil. Add a little more Carnivorous soil as it is a little low. After that, water is sprinkled from above. This time Cephalotus follicularis was planted in Carnivorous soil. I hope it will grow well. Next, here we go. The second leaf cutting of Cephalotus follicularis was successful. I will immediately replant it in a flower pot. I will use peat moss and Carnivorous soil for the soil. The roots are still weak, so I will increase the proportion of peat moss. The reason is that I thought that using too much Carnivorous soil might damage the roots. Once it is thoroughly soaked in water, the soil is ready. It looks good. Now let's take a look at the leaf cutting of Cephalotus follicularis. The roots are surprisingly strong. Now let's plant it. Put soil in the flower pot. Make a hole in the middle. Plant Cephalotus follicularis in the hole. This completes the repotting. I will make a video of the growth of these to Cephalotus follicularis in the future. If you are interested, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Don't forget to like it. Thank you for watching.